Yo, what's up, guys? I'm doing a video. I'm gonna show you all my cards. Nothing is for sale or for trade. I'm just gonna show you what I got. I'll do it by sport. We'll start off with baseball. First, we have a Adam Dunn SPX auto, number 15 of 15. We have a Jonathan Papelbon auto, numbered 40 of 50 out of something. Hanley Ramirez auto, numbered 1 of 24. Buster Posey auto out of Bowman, not numbered. Kevin Nicholas auto out of Baseball Heroes, number 12 of 15. And it's the Mickey Mantle card. Next we got a Jimmy Rollins auto. It's like a pull out card. So that's cool. We got a Chase Utley Sweet Spot auto, number 30 of 100. Ernie Banks Sweet Spot auto, number 4 of 15. Adam Dunn Sweet Spot auto, number not not numbered. David Price Sweet Spot auto, number 18 of 25. And Aroldis Chapman Bowman Sterling auto, not numbered. Ken Griffey Jr. auto, number 34 of 50. Jason Worth auto, numbered 18 of 18 at Triple Threads. Cole Hamels auto, number 31 of 75. Prince Fielder auto, numbered 1 of 18. Michael Choice auto out of Bowman. Joe Mauer auto, not numbered. Dominic Brown auto out of Bowman Sterling. Got some Bryce Harper cards. Freddie Freeman auto out of Bowman Chrome. Kevin Nicholas auto out of Fleer. Cliff Lee auto out of SP Authentic, number 27 of 50. Uh, David Ortiz auto out of Exquisite, number 13 of 30. Got a Hunter Pence Triple Threads auto, number 37 of 99. Shane Victorino Topps Marquee auto out of number 6 70. Dustin Pedroia auto out of not not number number 40 to 75. And triple auto of Ryan Howard, Albert Pujols, and Alex Rodriguez, numbers 14 of 27. Got a George Springer Bowman Platinum auto, number 96 of 199. Manny Machado auto, number 246 of 899. Jason Worth auto, number 240 of 489. And Albert Pujols Triple Threads auto, number 7 of 9. A Triple Threads auto of Ryan Howard, Mike Schmidt, and Bobby Abreu, number 24 of 27. And now we're gonna do the basketball collection. First, we got a Tyreek Evans jersey auto, number 292 of 299. Got Michael Jordan jersey, number 14 of 23. Andre Iguodala jersey auto, number 48 of 50. An Allen Iverson auto, not numbered. Got a Monta Ellis auto, number 208 of 215. Got a Thaddeus Young auto, number 61 of 99. Got a Jason Kidd auto, not numbered. You got a nice Blake Griffin auto. And nice Drew Holiday auto, number 7 of 49. And we got a Chris Paul auto, not numbered. Another Chris Paul auto, not numbered. And a nice John Wall auto, number 242 of 299. Number 7 of 18, Magic Johnson auto. Got a nice Kobe Bryant auto out of certified, number 7 of 25. Got a LeBron James auto. We got a Michael Jordan auto. Oh, and now we're going to do the football section. Matt Stafford, 3-color patch, number 37 of 50. Sean McCoy auto, number 107 of 150. Ryan Massey's auto, number 68 of 299. We got Jeremy Maclin auto, not numbered. Another Maclin auto, number 3 of 25. Got another Maclin auto, not numbered. And we got National Treasures Mike Williams auto, number 2 of 25. Java Best auto out of Gridiron Gear, number 14 of 204. Nice Brian Dawkins auto. Got another Jeremy Maclin auto, number 275 of 999. Ryan Matthews auto, number 306 of 349. Percy Harvin auto, not numbered. Blaine Gabbert jersey, number 289 of 299. LaShawn McCoy auto. We got two Jeremy Maclin autos. We got a Sean Green auto. We got a Ryan Mallett auto, number 93 of 99. Colt McCoy auto, number 20 of 25. And we got a Mark Ingram auto, number 9 of 25. We got a Sean McCoy auto, number 28 of 99. Another LaShawn McCoy auto, numbered 8 of 50. We got a Brian Westbrook auto, numbered 8 of 25. Macklin auto, number 92 of 249. Sam Bradford Absolute auto, numbered 40 of 299. Got a Peyton Manning auto, not numbered. Oh, 68 of 75. Maurice Jones-Drew auto. Another Maurice Jones-Drew auto, number 9 of 10. Javid Ndamukong Suh auto, number 111 of 299. We got a Kevin Cobb auto out of SP Authentic. Numbered 635 of 725. Got a Blaine Gabbert Absolute patch. Numbered 6 of 25. We got a Tim Tebow Certified Auto, number 292 of 299. Sean McCoy, four-color patch, down in the bottom corner, number 28 of 50. Deshaun Jackson, rookie auto, number 15 of 25. We got a CJ Spiller auto, number 4 of 25. We got a Java Best RPM auto, number 36 of 299. The Dominican Sue RPM auto, number 263 of 299. Four-color patch of National Treasures of LaShawn McCoy, number 43 of 50. Matt Ryan, jersey auto, numbered, not numbered. We got Austin Pettis auto, number 249 of 299. Got Des Bryant National Treasures auto, number 9 of 10. Christian Ponder auto, number 4 of 299. And Blaine Gabbert auto, number 241 of 299. Three-color Ed Reed patch, number 45.99. Got a Mike Vick auto, not numbered. Mike Kafka auto, number 16 of 25. Sean Jackson patch out of Elite, number 5 of 50. Got a Michael Crabtree auto, number 26 of 30. Got a Drew Brees auto, not numbered. Got a Adrian Peterson auto, numbered 8 of 15. Randall Cunningham auto, numbered, not numbered. Oh, 5 of 5. Leonard Hankerson auto, number 3 of 25. Marcel Darius auto, number 2 of 49. Mike Vick and Randall Cunningham, number 30 of 99, jersey. We got a Chris Johnson booklet out of Triple Threads, numbered 16 of 18, 1,200 rushing games in 2009. We got an exquisite patch, 8 patches, numbered 16 of 20. First side has Keen Nix, Kenny Britt, Patrick Turner, and Brian Rubisky. Other side has Darius Hayward Bay, Michael Crabtree, Jeremy Macklin, and Percy Harvin. That's it, guys. Hope you liked it. See ya.